Hello folks, my name is Chetan Kumar. I'm a data cum business analyst. I have over 5 years of experience working in this particular domain. Today I'm going to teach you how to work on Tableau, how to use it. So if you are a fresher or a student, you can download the Tableau public version. That's free of cost. So let's get started with Tableau. On my left you have multiple connectors over here. For licensed version you have even more connectors. So this is a Tableau public version, so you have limited connectors over here. So let's get started. Let me show you how to connect with use one of the connectors. So let me click on Microsoft Excel. So you can get an Excel file from the location, click on that and open it. So you'll be getting this particular window where you can see your data. To see your data, you have an option to just drag this on the screen and you'll be able to see your data over here. So there are multiple options that you can avail, like if you want to union the data, you can hover over this order. As we don't have the common columns, so we cannot do a union, so we are doing a join. So we are joining the people column with the region on the region and the return orders on order ID. As you can see here, there's the order ID that we are joining. So you have other options. You can connect with multiple data source. You can even have filters. You can add a global filter. These are called global filters. So you can apply the global filter. It will be applied to the whole sheet. So that's all for today. I'll see you in the next class.